Hi everyone, and as you can see today I received a message from my friend Ronnie, and after exchanging some informal greetings, and if you're interested in informal greetings, I have another lesson that deals with that. Ronnie then invited me to have lunch at his restaurant. The only problem is, I don't know exactly where his restaurant is. So, he's going to give me some directions in simple English, and I'm going to take you along on my journey as well. So, if you're ready, let's begin. First thing is to take the lift to the first floor. American English, use the first floor. Sometimes in British English, the ground floor. After that, go out of the condo and turn right. Turn right. And now keep walking until you see the T-junction. T-junction, sometimes called three-way intersection in American English, British English, T-junction. Then turn left into Sukhumvit Road. Go along the road until you come to the footbridge. Oh, there it is. Go up the stairs and keep right. Cross the road and go down the stairs. Walk past W District. Oh yes, there's W District. I have to walk past W District to get where I want to go. And now you can see I'm coming up to another junction. It's another T-junction or three-way junction. But I'm going to go straight on. Keep walking until you see the SkyTrain station, the BTS station in Bangkok. Go up the escalator and get on the train towards Morchit, and then get off at Tonglaw. Here we are at Tonglaw. Then get a bus. But where can I get the bus? On the opposite side of the street. How much is the bus fare? It's 9 baht. Not expensive. Where should I get off? You will go under the expressway. When you see the Bangkok Bank, get off the bus. The shopping centre is on your right hand side. Go to the second floor. Almost there. Yes, the second floor. My restaurant is between the Pizza Company and Chonan. Hopefully I've arrived now. Yes, that looks like my friend. Hi Ronnie, How have you been?